guys? This is your boy David, the lambo door guy. This is the first, should I call it electro blue? This is really nice blue. It has red calipers which pop out as well with the black wheels. That looks pretty nice, but this customer, you know, he asked us if we can do the lambo doors, and that's what we're going to do on this one. If y'all are interested in the future for an installation, we're over here on 249 in Beltway 8. I hope y'all liked the video. This is the final project, and like I said from the beginning, if y'all are interested in the future to get your lambo doors, our information is in the description below, and we are located in Houston, Texas on 249 in Beltway 8. Give us a thumbs up, and any questions, just let us know, and we'll take care of y'all. We can get you scheduled, and we'll take care of your baby. Peace.